Hi everyone. Today my little brother is gonna video look his video. So let's go upstairs. Look, he's in the curtain. So yeah, we have another vlog upstairs. Oh. So we're gonna call him Terrence. They wanna see you. Do you wanna see you? Here, go in your cocoon or something. You don't wanna vlog? Wait, after this. Hala, wala yan.
Ayun na lang ilaw.
Wala itong ilaw. Hoy, bakit mo gamit ballpen ko?
Ballpen ko yan ha. Bumili akong ganyan ha.
When?
Di wag. Ang gano'n ba yun?
This is what I'm doing. Okay, right? So I have this. And here's say hello to the camera. Hello. I know I'm using tablet.
Loko na walang laglag. Hoy! Nagkahiwalay tayo.
Diyan ako eh. So yeah. She has a phone. Hello. Say hello.
Hello. Mario.
And she doesn't have. She didn't bring a
Ay,
phone.
panoodin ko nga. Kung paano nalaglag yun ano ko.
So yeah.
Paano, saan kaya nalaglag yun? Alin? Ang stick oh. Nalaglag.
She is gonna watch
Nawalan.
the review.
Pagkakain ko yung nalaglag. Patingin? Saan kaya?
Yeah, so I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna reform it.
Ito na. Ay, nalaglag. Kumuha ko na. Yeah. Ay, wala. Hindi yan. Di ba dito? Kiri pala! Ikaw si Sarah.
That's I'm gonna read. I'm actually number
Hindi ka na
2.
sing?
It's like an exam. Number 4.
Ano ba?
This is my palette. This is my drawer. So I'm just wait for me. Okay.
Ha? Kuya, dadan tatay lang ako. Hi guys! So ngayon pala, nagbabasa si Gosing! Gosing, I love it! Gosing, I love it!
Atakot.